Hello and welcome to another episode of Postie Adventures. Today I am going to try and get these screws out. Looks like I've stuffed them up pretty good and tried rattle gun, bunch of other things, but today I'm going to show you how to use easy outs. I think this is a common problem here in the clutch. I've had it happen to me before, don't know what's the go of it, but yeah, guess it just happens. As you can tell, there is not much for the screwdriver to grab onto there. So the plan of attack is I'll grab these and a drill, and I should hopefully be able to get it out. So first off, how an easy out works. Basically, it's a two-stage drill bit, but in reverse. First stage, we drill out what's remaining of the screw, make a nice little hole for this easy out self-tapping bit. So basically, as you're reversing, it will grip into the hole and hopefully have enough grip to twist it out. So first, we chuck the easy out in the drill, but with the drill end coming out first. And we'll just drill out the screw. Maintaining it's in reverse. Hopefully that is enough. Flip around. But make sure you got the drill back in reverse again, and hopefully, oh, look at her go. Got her out. Don't want to go too hard, you really don't want to strip it when you're in this stage. Look at that. So lucky I had a M6 nut lying around, and I've got an 8mm socket to go on the end, and hopefully this gets it out. There we go, finally. Now let's try it again on the other side. Drill it out in reverse. There we go. Swap her around. Make sure she's still in reverse. Ooh, she's spinning a little bit here. What a beauty. I tell you what, I'm very, very grateful for that. Well, that's the end of the episode. I really hope that's helped you out, because it's helped me out a lot being able to get those two bolts out. Now I can take the rest of the clutch off and show you what's inside there. Until then, I'll see you next episode.